Now, income tax H. Prem Raja, BCom 24, 2024 to 25. Assessment year we are doing already. I have completed 9 problems. If you didn't watch that video. So you are able to understand this concept income from house property clearly. So problem number 10, page number C52. If you have this textbook, read the question carefully. Mr. Vishal Maheshwari owns a house whose municipal value is 1,40,000. This is MRV, it has given in the question. And FRV is 1,38,000. Fair rental value is FRV. He let out the house to Srimati Parameshwari for an annual rent. Annual rent it has given 1,80,000. The tenant could not pay the rent for the month February and so was made to vacate the house. The house remained vacant for March. ठीक है, unrealized rent also is there and vacant period also it has given 1 month. As per rental deed, the municipal taxes are be borne by the tenant. Municipal taxes are be borne by the tenant, it has given in the problem. So it should not be allowed as deduction. It should not be allowed as deduction. But Srimati Parameshwari failed to pay such dues were paid by the owner. Even though owner paid this, but what it is given in the question information to us that taxes are to be borne by the tenant, it has given. No, even though the tenant does not pay, the owner is paid, we should not deduct the amount. It's clear, no? Municipal taxes ये प्रॉब्लम में अपने को यहाँ पर दिए कि you should read the question carefully why we are not taking. ठीक है, the house remained was म्यूनिसिपल टैक्सेस जो है ना, म्यूनिसिपल टैक्सेस जो है बॉन्ड बाय द टेनेंट बोल के दिए अपने को क्वेश्चन में यहाँ पर, लेकिन आगे वो टेनेंट नहीं पे करे तो ओनर ही पे करे. इवन दो ओनर पेड, अगर टेनेंट बॉन्ड बाय द टेनेंट कंडीशन था अगर उसमें, फिर भी टेनेंट नहीं पे करे तो यहाँ पर अपने को डिडक्शंस में नहीं लेना है. इट शुड नॉट अलाउड एज डिडक्शन. And municipal taxes 15%, interest on loan taken amounted rupees 50,000, loan taken for repairs. Compute the income from house property of Mr. Vishal Maheshwari. It's clear with the question. Now working notes we have to do first. Problem number 10, working notes. ERV is higher of the two amounts. MRV 1,40,000, FRV 1,38,000 दे दिए. इन दोनों में से highest, the highest amount is called as ERV. So MRV and FRV is given in the question. From there we have taken ERV 1,40,000 because ERV is higher of the following two amounts, MRV and FRV. So higher amount is 1,40,000. That's why our ERV is 1,40,000. Now annual rent it has given in the question. So we have to find monthly rent because here unrealized rent and vacant, the house is vacant for 1 month. No, so vacant period also is there. Unrealized, the tenant does not pay the rent for 1 month, that also it has given. But annual rent is monthly, it has not given, annually it has given. So actual rent, annual rent it has given. We have to find monthly rent. 1,80,000 divided by 12. Annual means 12 months will be there. No, that's why we are dividing it by 12. So 15,000 per month we are getting. So ARV will be our annual rent minus unrealized rent minus vacant period. Annual rent is 1,80,000 minus unrealized rent 1 month only she has not, the tenant does not pay the amount, so 15,000. Vacant period is for 1 month only, minus 15,000. So 1,80,000 minus 30,000, 1,50,000 we are getting our ARV. ये प्रॉब्लम में अपने को ARV जो है ना 1,80,000 दिए हुए हैं. ठीक है ना, तो अपन मंथली रेंट पहले मालूम कर लिए, डिवाइडेड बाय 12 करके 15,000 मंथली रेंट आया. एक्चुअली एनुअल रेंट में से अनरियलाइज रेंट 1 मंथ का है, माइनस कर देना अपने को. वैकेंट पीरियड है 1 मंथ का, माइनस कर दिए तो अपने को ARV 1,50,000. अब वैकेंट पीरियड अगर रहा तो GAV इज इक्वल टू ARV हो जाता. ठीक है, अदरवाइज ERV और ARV हाईएस्ट लेते अपन, बट एज वैकेंट पीरियड इज गिवन GAV इज इक्वल टू ARV, तो अपना GAV इन दिस प्रॉब्लम 1,50,000 वी गॉट इट. This is the working notes you have to do to calculate the GAV, gross annual value. After that we have to start the problem in this way. Who is the assessee in the problem? Mr. Vishal Maheshwari is the assessee. So computation of income from house property for the assessment year 2024 to 25. You have to present the answer in this way in the exam. You will get the full marks for that. Whatever the notes, how I am writing, how I am doing the working notes, how I am drawing the boxes. If you do the income tax problems in this way, I'm sure that you will get full marks for the problem. So particulars amount, gross annual value 1,50,000 minus municipal taxes. In this problem we are not taking the municipal taxes. Why? Because it is given that the tenant should bond the municipal taxes, but tenant does not fail, owner has paid, even though we should not deduct the amount. So net value is 1,50,000. We are getting net annual value. Under the deductions will be there, no? Under section 24, two deductions are there, standard deduction and interest on. So a standard deduction means it will not given in the question, 30%. You have to remember. So 30% of NAV is 1,50,000 into 30%, 45,000. Interest on loan for construction of the house and for repairs is allows a deduction. So in the given problem, interest on loan is taken for the repairs. So it is allowed as deduction under section 24B, 50,000. So total 95,000 we have to deduct. So income from house property we are getting 55,000. Municipal taxes, note you have to write everything why we are not taking, so that you will get the full marks for that. Municipal taxes borne by the tenant, it is given in the problem, even though owner paid, it should not be allowed as deduction. That's why we have not taken the municipal taxes here. So Mr. Vishal is the SSC. Computation of income from house property for the assessment year 24 to 25. सेम ऐसे आपको प्रॉब्लम करना है एग्जाम में, सो दैट यू विल गेट द फुल मार्क्स फॉर दैट. पर्टिकुलर्स अमाउंट, ग्रॉस एनुअल वैल्यू 1,50,000. म्यूनिसिपल टैक्सेस अपने को नहीं लेना है, क्योंकि म्यूनिसिपल टैक्स बॉर्न बाय द टेनेंट इवन दो ओनर पेड, इट शुड नॉट अलाउज अ डिडक्शन. दैट्स वाई अपन यहाँ पर इसको नहीं ले रहे. तो अपनी नेट एनुअल वैल्यू 1,50,000 आ गया. डिडक्शंस करना है अंडर सेक्शन 24. अंडर सेक्शन 24 टू डिडक्शंस है, स्टैंडर्ड डिडक्शन, इंटरेस्ट ऑन लोन. स्टैंडर्ड डिडक्शन का परसेंटेज 30% रहता है नेट एनुअल वैल्यू पे, आपको याद रखना है. So 30% annual net annual value 1,50,000 का 30%, 45,000 we got it. Interest on loan for construction and for repairs is allowed as deduction according to Income Tax Act. So interest on loan taken for repairs it has given, no, that's why we have to deduct this under section 24B. You have to write under standard deduction under section 24A and interest on loan under section 24B. सो इसका टोटल कर लिए दो अमाउंट्स का, तो 95,000 अपने को नेट एनुअल वैल्यू में से डिडक्ट करें तो इनकम फ्रॉम हाउस प्रॉपर्टी 55,000 आ गया. इन दिस वे इफ यू प्रेजेंट द आंसर यू विल गेट द फुल मार्क्स फॉर दैट. सो नाउ if you have any doubt you can ask me in the comment. And how was my explanation? Are you clear with that? That also you should comment me so that I should be motivated and teach you in a better way. Now page number C52 only we'll discuss next problem, 11th problem. Sri Indira Mohan constructed a house, and the students who are watching this income tax, this subject is new, you won't get it on other channels mostly. So what I suggest you come subscribe to my channel so that you can watch all the videos. If you watch all my videos, definitely will pass in one attempt only. I will try my level best. So to complete this syllabus, how much I can complete I also don't know. If you subscribe me and if you comment me, I should get motivated and can prepare and can upload more videos. It's clear? So now see problem number 11. Sri Indira Mohan constructed a house in Delhi in 2011. Land transferred the house and transferred the house for a consideration of natural love and affection to his wife. Presently the house is let out on a monthly rent of rupees 30,000, including 5,000 of service provided for essential purpose. Municipal rental value MRV is 2 lakh. The municipal taxes 10%. It is agreed that tenant should bear the cost of repair and owner provide the following facilities. So in this FRV is not given. Salary 12,000, maintenance, loans, water charges and other expenses incurred by the owner, insurance premium, collection charges, to interest on loan we have to take. This all expenses we have to ignore. Interest on loan for construction the house 35,000. During the previous year the house was vacant for 2 months. Calculate the income from house property. Now it's clear with the question. FRV is not given in this problem, and ARV rent for 12 months. ARV what it has given, monthly rent of rupees 30,000 it has given, but including 5,000 for the service provided. Service provided, no, so this we have to deduct. So actual ARV for monthly will be 25,000 in this problem. Why we are deducting that? Because to maintain loans owner by the owner, incurred by the owner, this all expenses are incurred by the owner. That's why the service charges are included in the monthly rent. We have to deduct that, including 5,000 for the services provided for. recent. So working notes we have to do. ERV we have to find first. ERV is higher of the following two amounts, MRV and FRV. MRV 2 lakh is given, FRV is not given, so your ERV will be 2 lakh only. ARV rent of 12 months. It's clear, no? 5,000 I told you, no? You have to deduct 30,000 it has given, 5,000 including service charges. So we have to deduct, actual rental value will be 25,000. So 2 months vacant period will be there. So 25,000 into 12, 3 lakhs we are getting. 25,000 into 2 months, for 50,000 we are getting. So 2 lakh 50,000. ARV 2 lakh 50,000. So in the case of vacant period, GAV and ARV are equal. So 2 lakh 50,000 only our GAV. Actual rent is 30,000. So actual rent is 30,000 minus 5,000, service provided 25,000 we have taken. Now we will do the problem. In say Indira Mohan, computation of income from house property, gross annual value 2,50,000, municipal taxes, municipal value into 10%. It has given in the question 10%. So 20,000 we are getting 2,30,000 as the net annual value. This is, I forgot to write, this is called as net annual value. You have to write it here, ma. 2,30,000 net annual value. Standard deductions under section 24, two deductions are there. Standard deduction under section 24A, 30% of net annual value. 2,30,000 into 30%, 69,000 we are getting. And interest on loan taken to construct the house, 35,000 it has given in the problem. So 69,000 plus 35,000, 1,04,000 we are getting. 2,30,000 minus 1,04,000, 1,26,000 is our income from house property. Now we'll see. वंस अगेन आई रिपीट इट इन दिस सेम वे. आपको एग्जाम में लिखना है माँ, जो भी एसएससी रहता है उसका नाम लिखना है. कंप्यूटेशन ऑफ इनकम फॉर द हाउस प्रॉपर्टी, असेसमेंट ईयर 24 to 25, पर्टिकुलर्स अमाउंट, ग्रॉस एनुअल वैल्यू जो भी आ जाती है वो लिखना है 2,50,000. उसमें से म्यूनसिपल टैक्स को माइनस करना है. 2 लाख में का 10%, 20,000 वी आर गेटिंग. सो 2,50,000 में से 20,000 माइनस करें तो अपने को 2,30,000, इसको नेट एनुअल वैल्यू बोलते हैं. ठीक है, यहाँ पर लिखना ज़रूरी है. डिडक्शन अंडर सेक्शन 24, टू डिडक्शन है अपने को, स्टैंडर्ड डिडक्शन एंड 30% ऑन एनएवी. ये 30% क्वेश्चन में नया रहता. यू हैव टू रिमेंबर, जो भी एनएवी आता आपको उसके ऊपर 30% निकालना रहता. सो 2,30,000 का 30%, 69,000. इंटरेस्ट ऑन लोन इज गिवन इन द क्वेश्चन टू कंस्ट्रक्ट द हाउस. सो इट इज अंडर सेक्शन 24 भी इज अलाउड एज डिडक्शन. सो 35,000, 69,000, 35,000 दोनों को ऐड करें तो 1,04,000 आ रहा अपने को. सो 2,30,000 में से 1,04,000 माइनस करें तो 1,26,000 इनकम from house property. We got it. Let's check we got the correct answer or not. Answers are given backside on page number C56. This is 11th problem we have done, no? So 1,26,000 income from house property. So we have done it correctly only.